In this video, we're going to do an unboxing and an installation of the SunGuard RV window covers, and we're starting right now. Hi and welcome back. My name is Aaron and you're watching Three Tales RV. If this is your first time here, we'd love to have you subscribe and become a member of our growing community. And with that out of the way, let's get started with today's topic. Inside, you're going to find a scan to claim your 12-year warranty. Yes. Also, you get a gift certificate for 5% off of your next purchase at RV Toys. You get an invoice. You also get one of their catalogs. These are the windshield wiper covers that come with it. You get two with the SunGuard logo on there. Snaps in with it, which are all here. What I want you to see is how thick these are. Look at that. Hold that up there and you can hardly see through the other side. But these knock 94% all UV sunlight. This particular one came with a passenger and driver side windows, the main window, and it even comes with a carry bag. What you're going to need for the install is a drill, a bit with a Phillips head in it, blue water solution pencil. These are for fabric use. Need a 3/32 drill bit, caulking gun, some masking tape, and some Plofrex RV. Piece of tape off of our roll, about almost 8 inches long. So the first thing I want to do is find the center. And on this particular shade, they have a snap right where we want the center to be. So once we find that location, we're going to go ahead and tape this off. All right, for this next part, we're going to take our fabric pen. We're going to find the center of this snap, which is going to be right there. And we're going to find the center of the snap on this side, which is basically right there. And that's where we're gonna line it up. We're just gonna draw a straight line down like that, and we're gonna draw a straight line across. And the reason why we use this water soluble pencil for fabric is that I can wipe this away and it won't come back. Next, we're gonna load up our drill into our drill bit, and we're gonna come up here. We'll line up in the center here, just like that. Drill out our first hole. The Flexol is loaded into the cock gun. And we're going to take a little dab and we're going to put it right on that spot. Next, we're going to take and put a snap. I don't want to overdo it. Now we're going to wipe off all the excess, wipe off any of the blue that's there, and our first snap is done. And that's what the snap is going to look like. That's the first one, and we've got 4 more to do. Now we're going to take and snap the cover on, just like that, and we're going to go over to the other side and install that one. For the next corner, what we're going to do is we're going to pull down and we're going to pull from the grommet up there to get our next measurement. So it's here. And there to make it taut. Complete the same process again. You'll see when I go to put this on, it's going to stretch a little bit, but that's what we want. Just like that. We're going to repeat the process on the other side.